Excuse me, sorry.
Ipagpaumanhin mo ako, sorry.
Excuse me, pardon me.
Sandali lamang, ano ka mo?
Sorry, I didn't know that.
Ipagpaumanhin mo, hindi ko alam na.
I do apologize.
Pasensya na po kayo.
I'm sorry.
Nagsisisi ako.
I didn't mean it. It was an accident.
Hindi ko sinasadya, aksidente po iyon.
That's all right. Don't worry about it.
Walang anuman iyan, huwag kang mabahala tungkol doon.
Never mind to forget it.
Hindi na bale, kalimutan mo na iyon.
It could happen to anyone.
Maaaring mangyari ito kan inuman.
Which do you prefer like best?
Ano po ang mas gusto ninyo?
What do you think?
Ano ang palagay mo?
Don't you like dancing?
Ayaw mo ba ng pagsasayaw?
I don't mind.
Wala akong tutol.
Well done.
Napakagaling mo, napakagaling nila.
Not bad.
Hindi masama.
Great. Marvelous.
Magaling, kahanga-hanga.
Wonderful.
Napakagaling.
How lovely.
Kaakit-akit, kaibig-ibig.
I am pleased for you.
Nagagalak ako para sa inyo, nagagalak ako para sa iyo.
It's really nice here.
Talagang maganda rito.
How nice.
Napakaganda.
How nice of you.
Napakabuti mo naman.
I'm not very happy with.
Hindi ako nasisiyahan sa.
I'm glad that.
Nagagalak ako na.
I'm having a great time.
Nasisiyahan ako, siyang-siya ako.
I can't wait till tomorrow. I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Hindi na ako makapaghintay ng bukas, hihintayin ko ang bukas.
I hope it works out.
Sana matuloy, sana mangyari.
How awful.
Nakapangingilabot.
It's horrible.
Nakakasindak.
That's ridiculous.
Katawa-tawa iyan.
That's terrible.
Nakakapanghilakbot iyan.
What a pity, shame.
Nakakaawa. Nakakahiya.
How disgusting.
Nakakasuklam.
What nonsense.
Kalokohan.
I don't like it, them.
Hindi ko gusto ito, hindi ko sila gusto.
I'm bored to death.
Yamot na yamot ako.
I'm fed up.
Sawang-sawa na ako.
This is not good.
Hindi maganda ito.
This is not what I expected.
Hindi ito ang inaasahan ko.